Hello everyone, welcome back to ShortTutor, where we simplify business fundamentals and turn them into easy to understand concepts. Through our inventory management series, we explored various tools and techniques that helped us achieve optimum service levels in a cost effective way. Now let's go a bit upstream and talk about a crucial aspect of any business: quality. In the manufacturing or operations world, you have probably heard terms like Six Sigma, lean management, quality control, TQM, and many more. With so many concepts out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or confused about their purpose, when to use them, and in what context they are applicable. So, to make things simple, we are launching our new module called Quality Qualified. Through this series, we'll break down these quality concepts and create a cheat sheet by the end, so you will always know the right tools to use for any business challenge. In this video, we'll talk about what is quality, we'll deep dive into the concept of total cost of quality, and finally, we'll talk about a very important quality philosophy termed as total quality management. So, let's get started. As always, let's start with a story. Meet Rajat, who has recently joined a leading consumer electronics company as a quality control manager. His primary responsibility is to ensure that every product leaving the factory meets the highest quality standards and exceeds customer expectations. As a quality control manager, Rajat oversees production processes, conducts regular inspections, and ensures that the company complies with industrial regulations. He identifies process gaps in quality management, he implements process improvements, and addresses any issue that might affect product performance or customer satisfaction. Sounds challenging, right? But before Rajat dives into specific cases, let's first understand from him what is quality. In simple terms, quality means conformance to customer expectations. Now, these expectations, as usual, are subjective in nature. However, they can be mapped across 8 dimensions famously explained by Garvey. Let's explore this one by one. Starting with performance, this is all about how well a product does what it's designed to do. Imagine you have got a smartphone with 6 GB of RAM. You would certainly expect it to handle high-end games effortlessly, right? No lag, no delays. But if it struggles to deliver even that, it falls short on performance aspect of quality. Next is reliability. Think about your laptop in this case. You count on it to manage your day-to-day work and entertainment needs without unexpected crashes or breakdowns. If it frequently lets you down, it's failing in reliability. A reliable product is one you can depend on consistently day after day. Now talking about features, imagine a laptop equipped with a touch screen, a backlit keyboard, and multiple USB-C ports. These additional functionalities enhance the product's appeal and usability, making it more versatile and desirable for different user needs. Features are the extra touches that set a product apart. Compliance refers to meeting safety and environmental standards. For example, a laptop with an Energy Star rating and TUV low blue light certification ensures it meets key regulations, giving you confidence in its quality and safety. To understand durability, think about your smartphone. With Gorilla Glass, it provides enhanced screen protection, making it more resistant to scratches and cracks. This helps it last longer even with regular use. Durability means your product can stand up to the wear and tear of everyday life. Next up is serviceability, which is all about how easy it is to repair your product and the quality of after sales support. For instance, a laptop brand that provides on site repairs and replaceable batteries. This makes your life simpler and ensures that your product stays functional for longer. Serviceability is key to keeping your product running smoothly. Next comes aesthetics. Imagine a sleek, slim laptop with glowing LED backlights. It looks stylish and catches the eye, adding a sense of elegance to your tech. Aesthetic makes a product not just functional but visually appealing too. Lastly, perceived quality reflects how customers view a product based on the brand's reputation. For example, Apple and Samsung smartphones are often considered premium even before they are used, thanks to the trust their brands inspire. Focusing on these dimensions enables companies to align with customer expectations by implementing quality interventions that drive improvements across various areas. However, such interventions often require investments in manpower, materials, processes, and products. Therefore, it's essential for organizations to strike a balance and invest in quality to a level that meets both their needs and those of their customers. But this raises a critical question: how much quality is sufficient? That's where the concept of the total cost of quality comes in. Let's understand it further. Total cost of quality is a framework that categorizes all expenses related to ensuring and maintaining quality in a product, service, or process. It is divided into two main components. First one is cost of poor quality, which arises from defects and failures, and the second one is cost of good quality, which is incurred due to the quality management processes already in place. Let's dive into the details, starting with cost of poor quality. Cost of poor quality consists of internal failure cost and external failure cost. Internal failure cost occurs when defects are detected during production, before the product reaches the customer. This include costs related to rework or rectification of defective items, scrap losses, and even costs related to wastage or non-value added activities. Similarly, external failure costs are incurred when defects are found after the product or service reaches the customer. This again include repairs and servicing costs, returns of defective items by the customers, warranty claims, and even sometimes litigation costs. Now let's discuss cost of good quality, which ensures defects are prevented or detected early. The first component of cost of good quality is prevention cost, which involves avoiding defects before they occur. This typically includes product or service requirements like establishing and maintaining specifications for raw materials, processes, and finished goods, quality planning costs, quality assurance cost, and even manpower training cost. The second component is appraisal cost, which incurs when assessing the performance of processes to maintain quality. This include verification costs like inspecting raw materials, processes, and finished products to meet specifications, quality audits, and even supplier rating costs. Now, knowing about total cost of quality, it might seem like we are just shifting costs from the cost of poor quality to the cost of good quality. But here's the game changer: it's not just the type of cost that changes, it's the scale. Poor quality costs, whether internal or external, tend to hit suddenly and hard, like a financial earthquake. These impacts can be so severe that they have driven even companies to bankruptcy. On the flip side, good quality costs are more predictable. You know about them upfront, and the impact is significantly lower. By setting the right quality standards, businesses can create a win-win situation, lower risks for themselves and better value for their customers. It's about investing smartly in quality to avoid costly surprises down the line. But defining the quality threshold is just the beginning. The next and a very crucial step is execution, which entails establishing a quality management system. Most of the QMS are based on three prominent philosophies known as TQM, Lean, and Six Sigma, each leveraging quality control tools developed by renowned experts. Among this, TQM, the foundational philosophy that gained traction in the 1980s, laid the groundwork for the later emergence of Lean and Six Sigma. Let's first explore it further. Total quality management can be described as a management system for a customer focused organization that engages all employees in continual improvement. While modern quality management systems have advanced, the 8 principles of TQM remain the cornerstone of today's practices. Let's delve into each of them one by one. The first principle is being customer focused. Customers ultimately determine the level of quality. However, customer requirements are often vague and needs to be translated into specific, actionable goals for different departments, which needs to be taken care by TQM. The second principle is total employee involvement, which ensures all employees work together toward common goals. This requires a fear-free workplace where employees are empowered, supported, and motivated by management. The third principle of TQM is that it is process centered, focusing on workflows that transform inputs into outputs, which help in effective performance monitoring, helping to detect variations and improve efficiency. The fourth principle is that TQM emphasizes an integrated system. Though organizations often operate through vertical departments, it's the horizontal processes connecting these departments that drive quality. Integration ensures these departments work harmoniously. Principle 5, a strategic and systematic approach, integrates quality into an organization's mission and vision. Strategic planning ensures quality becomes a core component of the company's objectives. Continual improvement drives the sixth principle of TQM, which means organizations must continuously analyze and innovate to stay competitive and meet stakeholders' expectations. With the seventh principle, which is fact based decision making, TQM emphasizes collecting and analyzing data to improve decision making accuracy, achieve consensus, and predict future outcomes. The final principle is communication. Effective communication strategies are crucial during organizational changes and daily operations to maintain morale and motivation. Over time, companies embraced and localized TQM in their own way, leading to innovative quality control tools and techniques. This, in turn, gave rise to two of the most popular quality philosophies in businesses today, Lean and Six Sigma. These modern philosophies built upon TQM's foundation. In our upcoming episodes, we'll explore how these principles evolved and how businesses can apply them to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and delight customers. Stay tuned for the next episode of Quality Qualified. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.